We got lucky today, boys. I told you we'd catch one at some point. Grain train. CSX. Perfect. My camera screwed up, so we're doing it this way. I can't fix the camera, so we're doing it this way. Oh boy. This is a pretty good sized freight train. Oh, that was perfect. I told you we'd catch a train at some point, and there we go, we caught one. Lovely. All right, there she goes. Haha, nice. All right, bye-bye. Here we go. CSX westbound. We're on Pole Road by the Windy area. Here we go. This is awesome. You guys have been asking for trains. I'll bring you trains. All right, I'm gonna shut up and let you listen. We'll finally get the crossings in action. Thank God, right? Here we go. Enjoy.
This guy probably thinks we're crazy. Send me.
Here we go. I told you it was hauling ass. Give the engineer a wave. Why not? Awesome. I told you that train was hauling. Awesome. All right. We got the best spot in town, and we got the gates activating for the first time. All right. All right. That was beautiful. Bye-bye.